Hey YouTube, what's up? Ember 1205 here for Hot Camaro. So I've got to do some maintenance on my car. Got to do my second oil change and the rear diff fluid. So I'm taking the car out for a little ride, warm things up. And in the process, I thought I would attempt to show you the benefits of a particular accessory here. So probably notice I've got a mic clipped to my shoulder up here, and I'm doing that on purpose, actually kind of holding it to the side, because my hope is that I'll be able, with the microphone kind of here toward the middle area of the cabin, be able to give you an idea of some of the benefits here of the General Motors OEM Windscreen for the convertible. So the goal here is I'm gonna get the car up to about 40-45 miles an hour. Not terribly fast, but should certainly be fast enough for you to be able to hear the wind noise from the turbulence of the air moving around inside the cabin of the car. And then what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to go ahead and actually flip the windscreen up into the in use position, I guess you might call it. Right now, if you look back here, what you see is the windscreen is installed, but it's folded down, so it's not having any benefit. You see that I do have the windows up, so I am getting some benefit where that's cutting in on the air that's trying to move around, but the windscreen itself is going to make a pretty significant difference. And it's something that on the highway, for example, 65-70 miles an hour, it is absolutely the difference between being able to have a conversation with somebody that might be riding in the car with you or not. It's absolutely the difference between whether or not you can hear the radio without cranking the thing up loud enough so that it vibrates the whole entire car as you're driving, or not. So that's the goal. I'm going to pause out here right now, but I'll pick this back up. You don't have to wait for me to continue driving on these secondary roads. Through the magic of editing, you can rejoin me when I get to a point where I can actually put a little more speed under us legally, so that I can give you a demonstration. As a reference, here's 40 miles an hour. Here's 50 miles an hour. All right, point of reference, 50 miles an hour. I'm going to go ahead and flip the screen up. And I'm going to speed up. So here we are at 60. And the turbulence and wind noise is significantly lower than it was even at 50 or even 40. So that's really the goal, just to give you an idea of just how much this thing cuts down on the turbulence of the wind moving around the cabin, and how much quieter it can make it inside the car for you. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me the kinds of things that you want to see in the videos that I put together. Tell me the questions you have about the car, or cars in general, and if possible, I will absolutely take your ideas and suggestions and put them to work. Until next time, Ember 1205, out.